Hi, this is Maria Brown with Palmas Dream Homes, and today I am in Sunrise. Sunrise offers a tranquil lifestyle with stunning views of the ocean and surrounding mountains. It's an ideal retreat for those who love nature but still want modern conveniences. This neighborhood features spacious single-family homes in both 1- and 2-story designs, with layouts of 3 or 4 bedrooms. Perfect for those who need both comfort and space. A unique feature of Sunrise is its carports. All homes include them, as enclosures into garages are not permitted, helping maintain the community's open and consistent aesthetic. The neighborhood is secured by a guard-gated entrance, adding peace of mind for residents. Plus, community amenities like the pool and gazebo provide wonderful spaces to relax or gather with neighbors, fostering a friendly and welcoming environment. Sunrise is designed for long-term residents with a minimum rental period of 12 months, helping to create a stable, close-knit community. If you're looking for natural beauty, community, and a peaceful lifestyle, Sunrise could be your ideal home within Palmas Del Mar. For more information, visit palmasdreamhomes.com.